Morning, I'm going out for inspection. If you are a mechanic and lost your purpose in your life, help me. Let's help millions of people around the UK to buy a great vehicle. If you think you can do this, if you're not dirty, if you have I can attitude, if you're not boring, if you can handle the customers, handle few of the complaints, if you have attention to detail, you can describe things in a soft, gentle, non too technical manner for the customer, so anyone who receives inspection report can understand easily what you meant, what you described, and if that could help the customer, that's great. That's what we're looking for. We need great people. We're looking for great people who are potentially willing to expand their businesses and in the future work on the CarExamer license or CarExamer franchise brand. And if you love to help people and you want to help CarExamer or help me to change the way how people buy used cars, I want to hear from you, because I know there are many great people and many people don't know them. I will help you. If you will help me to find people great vehicles, only thing I ask is just join up and prove what you can do. Prove if you have attention to detail, if you like what you do, you're patient, and you can handle sometimes not great situations really well, communication skills, problem solving skills, and the main thing is describe the vehicle with attention to detail, and customers will love you, and you will have a great job satisfaction of what you've done, and you help people. That's the main thing in CarExamer, what we value. As if you would be buying a car for yourself. Remember, CarExamer.com, I want to hear from you.